Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum X20 Max. To do it, you can do it in two different methods, either removing it from the app or doing it manually. I'll show you both. You can click on three dots in top right corner, then scroll down and tap delete device. Then it will reset the robot. But let's say I don't want to do it here, or I can't do it here because maybe it's not connected to the internet currently. For that, I'll take the robot out of its charging station, but it can be also left in the charging station, I think. No, it can't, because you will need to open the lid here, and then you will find the reset. I'll maybe try to get the lighting a little bit better. So give me a second. Okay, as you can see, there is the reset and the Wi-Fi light. Now, to reset, you will need to insert a pin or a needle into that hole, which I cannot find right now, so I'll be back in a moment. Okay, I couldn't find a pin nor a needle, so I will use a pen to just press in on the reset button. Press and hold until you hear a voice prompt. As you can see right now, it is already reset and it is ready for a connection. Now, this Wi-Fi light is not a button, so if you would like to only reset Wi-Fi settings, just in case, I'll tell you, to reset Wi-Fi settings only without factory resetting the robot, press and hold on both buttons on top of the robot for over 7 seconds until you hear a voice prompt that it's ready for network connection. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.